If you ain't know by now, I pose a threat. I got more materials for the sleepers who don't know it yet. Who don't know it yet. Who don't know it yet. Nah, they ain't ready for this. Dearly departed.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy J Soul back with another video. And I know, hold on, let me get this right. So, I know y'all see it's a little different scenery. I'm in the car right now. Right now I'm at Walgreens. But I'm about to head in and I'm gonna show y'all when I come out, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all got so y'all can see exactly why I'm at Walgreens. And then we got one more stop to make. Then we gonna go back to the crib and then I'll tell y'all everything. And I know y'all see the title of the video, and don't worry, I will explain all that when we get back to the crib. So, be right back. Alright, we back. And we got 2 packages over here from FedEx, you know, so I went to Walgreens for the first one. I went to the wrong Walgreens for the first one. And now I'm at FedEx for the second one just because I had them sent to 2 different addresses. So now we about to head back. And yeah, we gonna bust out this review. Honestly, I'm probably not even gonna do a full review on these. Probably not even gonna do a full review on these shoes, but yeah, actually I need to get some gas first, then we gonna hop back to the crib. And I'll see y'all there. Alright YouTube, so we back in the crib. And I told y'all, like I said, we do have 2 packages. It is the same shoe. And just to let y'all know, yes, the title is right. I did spend almost $500. I did almost spend $500 on these shoes. Hold on, man. Alright, so as y'all can see, it is a Yeezy 350, a V2 to be exact. This shoe just came, it just dropped last Saturday, and honestly, this is the first Yeezy I've ever seen. Well, really like the first Yeezy I've ever held, like in hand or anything like that. So one, I don't even know how to open this. Alright, there we go. So, and hold on, let's see if it focus. There we go. This is the Yeezy 350 V2 Landmark. And I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't even like Yeezys at all. I bought both of these shoes from the Adidas site. And I don't even know if it has a receipt. Like, I guess Adidas don't send receipts in their bags or something like that. But yeah, like I said, this is my very first time ever buying a Yeezy. First time ever seeing a Yeezy in hand, like really up close. And this is a size 9, I believe. So I bought a size 9 and a size 10 just cause honestly, to resell, I'm like an honorary reseller, just cause I don't really like Yeezys at all. Like, the look is, like it ain't all that in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, these just dropped. Like, and look at this little shoe. This is the shoe tree they put in the shoe. Like, come on now, bro. Y'all really like Adidas? So we're gonna take this off. I'm gonna tell y'all the only positive thing I can tell y'all that come from Yeezys is the boost on the bottom of the shoe. And let's see if this is too bright. Alright, so yeah, it's really just the boost on the bottom of the shoe. That's probably the best. I honestly don't know how to get to focus, but yeah, that's probably the best thing that's on the shoe. Look at this little flimsy insole. Like I said, personally, I don't wear Adidas. I'll still show y'all the little B-roll of the shoe. But I know lately they've been coming out. So this is not the reflective pair that just came out. This is the non-reflective pair, like I guess the GR pair and everything like that. But They honestly, they look the exact same, bro. I know y'all be talking about Jordan brand, they releasing the same Jordans over and over, but this is literally the exact same shoe. And this shoe is selling for, I'd say, $300, but you add the little 3M to it, and all of a sudden, it's selling for a stack. Like, come on now. So, honestly, Adidas really is finessing y'all. Like, I never in my life will wear this shoe, bro. I heard there is 3M on the laces. I don't know if that's true or not. Like I said, I don't look too much into Yeezys. The only reason I really care for it is so I can make a few extra dollars off them. That's the only reason. There is nothing exciting about them. They don't look good. They look like some boats. Look at this. This is their size. This is the size 9, I think I said. Oh, this is the size 10. And this almost look like a 12. Like, come on now. Like, I know the light kind of bright and everything like that, but come on now. Y'all over here rocking with Adidas and Yeezys and everything like that. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. I used to like Adidas. I used to like the Zebras that came out. I like the Zebras that came out. I like the 750s. But Zebras are ugly to me now, just because that shoe is so overplayed and stuff like that. How you supposed to? Y'all, boxes is terrible. It's just, yeah. So that's all I got for y'all for that. I will include the B-roll and the clips. I mean, the B-roll and everything at the end of this video. But the reason most of y'all probably clicked this video is because I got invited to Complexcon. So today, while I was out earlier today, I didn't vlog it just because I didn't really think maybe I should vlog it, maybe, let everybody know what's going on. But I was up north, downtown, whatever you want to call it, and Uber Eats. So I seen a tweet. I can't pull up the tweet. I can't find it no more. But Uber Eats posted a tweet saying, come to Churchill Park, up north, north side of Chicago at 4 p.m. And we're giving out 15 free tickets to Complexcon. And I think they said like some Uber Eats credits, right? So we get there. It's me and my brother. We get there at like 2 o'clock. We hit a couple stores up, do our thing, stuff like that, yada yada. Then like 3:45 hit, and it wasn't nobody out there in the park. So we honestly thought we wasted our time. But a couple minutes later, we came here. I mean, these people came, they set up a little cool and everything like that. And they were literally giving out Complexcon tickets. Like, so I'll just show y'all. This is the bag right here. Uber Eats, this is what they were giving out, right? So it came with some foam. And then also, so this is one wristband for Complexcon. And then this is the second wristband. So I will be going to Complexcon. I probably won't vlog the whole thing just because it is 2 days. So I'll split it up day to day. But I'm so excited, bro. Like, cause the tickets was like $180 for both days. And there's so many shoes that's supposedly dropping. Like every year, it's always like some heat that drop. The Off-White Air Force Ones are supposed to drop. It's just so much. So, and then also I'm not really gonna show y'all because I don't want y'all to see the code and everything like that. But we do have. Let's see. Can y'all see it? Alright, so let's see if y'all can see that. It's not really focusing, but we did just get $200 in the Uber Eats credits as well. So yeah, that's $200 right there, like off rip. So both of us got, so me and my brother, so that's $400. I didn't have to pay for our Complexcon tickets, which was, I wanted both of us to go, and it's $180 a piece. So come on now, like. But today just been a good day. I got 2 pair of Yeezys that I'm about to resell. Like, come on, bro. Like, so yeah, but honestly, that's all I got for y'all today. Smash that like button. Let me know if y'all want this Complexcon footage, cause I mean, I'm gonna probably record it anyway. But if y'all don't want to see it, ain't no point in posting it, right? So yeah, smash that like button. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, do all that for me. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Like I said, subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on all my social media, just because I will be Snapchatting and stuff like that. Like different parts of the event, you know, letting y'all know what's going on before y'all have to wait for the official video. So, but yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. It's your boy J Soul. And yeah, I'm out, man. Remember, smash the like button, follow me on social media. Alright, one more thing before I end the video. Follow me on like Instagram or Snapchat, just because I will be explaining how y'all could still win free tickets, like if you're from the Chicago area, something like that. Just, like I said, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, or Snapchat, whichever you want. I'll be posting probably later tonight. I'll post it a couple times. You can still win some free tickets, but yeah, now I'm out.
If you ain't know by now, I pose a threat. I got more materials for the sleepers who don't know it yet. 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 Nah, they ain't ready for this. Silly depart.